Okay, everyone, I really hate it when people think it is okay to tamper with fire alarms in public buildings when it is not. It is absolutely not okay to tamper with fire alarms in public buildings for any reason, because fire alarms are not toys. They are very serious life safety devices that alert people when there is a fire inside the building and they must evacuate the building immediately, and also notify the fire department to come and put that fire out. So this saves buildings from being burnt to the ground as well. So this is why you never ever tamper with fire alarms in public buildings for any reason. If I get comments saying that it is okay to tamper with fire alarms, I will report them. I will. Because those people want to get me into serious trouble, even arrested. But most people that watch my videos agree with me that you should never ever tamper with fire alarms in public buildings for any reason. All of my friends from school and anybody on the NYC club will also tell you that tampering with fire alarms in public buildings is a bad thing to do. If you pull the fire alarm for fun, you will be locked up in jail. So do not do that. You must listen to me when I say never tamper with fire alarms in public buildings for any reason. Or else you will end up like Mikey from Darman. Goodbye.